Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you all members are fine in my channel. You see, this is a morning, third day of Eid. This is for fresh water. This water come from glaciers here. After glacier near Skardu Dam. After dam come here every town, every village in Skardu. So this is very nice and clear water. You see here this water. Check. Very clear and beautiful water. Alhamdulillah, I am fine here. This is morning, third day of Eid, and I think little bit sunshine. You know, white trees are here available around me every day. I told you, and this is Alhamdulillah very nice day for us. You see other location of place. This is here. Second time I told you very nice and very cold morning. After maybe you say I wear jacket, hot jacket in Skardu. Morning time after Fajr pray, I and my family we are combined walking here in this green grass every day. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. You see I upload this video after some minutes. Okay, other white trees are here available. And I think you listen one voice of the bird here available every day morning. 5-6 types of birds are available here every day. You see here very nice and cold morning in Skardu. You see around our boundary wall very nice morning and weather. I think inshallah today aeroplane come from Rawalpindi maybe. You see here around me very closely white trees are very bulk quantity white trees here, small and big trees. After 2-3 years, trees able to cutting and selling. And this is a water. I take water. This land and grass and different type of trees are available. Therefore, after 6-7 days, water flow from in this area. Therefore, everywhere greenery and greenery. You know, and for all parts of this world, all plants and every animal